imagination is more important than knowledge, for knowledge is limited, whereas imagination embraces the entire world, stimulating progress, giving birth to evolution. Default text.
Life is like riding a bicycle. To keep your balance, you must keep moving. Default text.
Two things are infinite, the universe and human stupidity. And I'm not sure about the universe. The important thing is not to stop questioning. Curiosity has its own reason for existing. Default text.
God does not play dice with the universe. Default text.
Science without religion is lame. Religion without science is blind. Default text.
The measure of intelligence is the ability to change. Default text. A person who never made a mistake never tried anything new. Try not to become a man of success, but rather try to become a man of value. Einstein's insights span science, philosophy, and personal growth, reflecting his deep curiosity and wisdom. Default text.